Okay, welcome back. So quickly, to create the gene browser, um, from where we stop, just select all this model and select Control D to duplicate it. To hide this, you know that's model. So just rename this to gene. Okay, in probably gene pan, or you just change it to pants. Okay, just to know what we're about to do here. So from here, this is the area I need for the gene. So what I need now to do is just to delete all this, select it and delete. Okay, don't need it again. Just that. Okay, now including this region here. Don't need this. Don't need this. When you look at it, if I should select this only, where you see. Okay. So to bring back what we have here, there's the model. Okay, so you can see, you can actually see it. What we need to do now is to extrude it a little bit. Extrusion, and that should be, that should look as this. Let's try to extrude it. I don't think so. Let me scale it. That's it. I want to just scale it in this Z and X direction, but not the upper direction. So just hold down this and press Ctrl, then drag. That's not. Let me just just trying to look for what to do. No, that's it. Okay, select the G. Okay. Control. Thickness. Okay. Let's cover that. This is in fit. Need to make sure it's thin as possible too. So this place is inside, what do we call it? Inside the group. Get something edge. I will just add one on it. Then edge. So I can just move this down. What we have. So, and all do some changes. I could see some sharp edge here. The edge, just select from here. Okay, I don't want it to affect this issue. Same snap guys. So guys, edge foot, edit edge foot. Edit edge foot. Yeah, this edge. Then the second reference, which I did not import initially. Second reference, let me see, let me try to bring it in. That should be in the front view. Because this front view, this one, which has the top notes. Okay, let us bring it directly. Okay, I don't need to really scale it to the size. Okay, I just want to use it as a reference guide for the clothes. Okay, just to know. Okay, probably I bought it. That's what I've been somewhere around here for the sleeve. The same thing we did for the cloth as well. We would duplicate, change this to top. Okay. Do I have top there before? So now I this model first. With that here, and what I'll just do is uh this area I actually want to use. So I'll say somewhere here this um an error here which we correct. Okay, let me correct that first. Shouldn't go like it shouldn't be like this. Edge. Yes, we do that. Yes, we do that. Go straight. Yes, yeah. And okay, back to uh, what we were trying to select. Here again, you can see how to just fix some errors when you encounter them. This is out. If the shirt is around the neck here, upper part here, that is okay. So Control Shift plus I revert the selection. Trying to see if I can actually do that. Okay, so what will be nice? Right click, select dash. Once that is the dash, once that is the dash, I can now select the faces individually, just like this. Uh, answers bottom as well. So here give me um top. First unit. So So from here, what we could just do, straighten things up, okay, just to cover all the, I mean, this area, okay, straighten things up there, that is out, down. So I can as well bring it down and out. But I would and as well. So the shed is actually coming out. Not it is coming out. That is no problem. So let's extrude. Let's bring it out. That will cover, but it's not as hot as. Okay, so on hide model itself, then the top we're still working on. This is okay. You notice we haven't done the finger. That will be the next step to do. Next thing time for us to. So let's see. Okay, this looks nice. So let me on this the wireframe. So right click, vertex, select selected. So let's try to pull it out. Try to pull it out. Try to pull it out. And that's yes. No, it's a little bit wide at the edge. You can also do that. You can scale it, scale it in that direction. So when you press Control plus scale direction, probably in the Y direction, it means you don't want it to scale it up, but you want to scale it in the other two directions. That goes down. So in the hygienic sense, you want your model to have two faces in terms of uh, the modeling. But when we are reading it, you can as well use it like this. But when you want to make use of simulation, okay, it's always advisable to make your model have one face that is good to have just one face. Maybe we should just we should uh, fix that now. So select this from here. This place is going in. Just click on this as the first one. So here it goes in. That's the thickness. So let's put it in that direction. Where here always it's and that region. Press that, and that should hash. Then select face. Select face. select face and delete. We want to select face and then so we have okay. So from here we can go edge, bring back the model as you can see. Let's edge and just kill it inside you. Let's um that is the point for this. Okay, actually can't see what's inside it. That's it. Let me see if I can after I just need to just yeah, that should be yeah. So okay, let's do this. So far so good. We've been able to do this. Now for the write up you have here, you that is done. You can either do it in Substance Painter or Photoshop. Okay, whether we import UV wrapping textures to. Okay. In the next class, we will model the hand and try to add some into adjustments. From there, we move to UV wrapping, texturing, beginner. Thank you for watching. Have a